Hey everyone, it's Walker at Full Spectrum Laser, and I hope you're having a good Friday and a good weekend coming up. Welcome to In the Cut, where we just watch the laser do its thing. And today we're doing some polyester fiber. It's kind of like velvet feel and look to it. And we're doing it on the PS48. That's 48 by 36 inch Pro machine with 120 watt in it. And we're cutting a large spider web out of that fabric for Halloween, of course. And let's just take a look at the design. So I just wanted a giant spider web in the corner of my door, and it's 25 inches by 25 inches, and let's watch it cut. What I like about the Pros and using fabric is that you can run a whole piece of fabric. This must be like 6 yards of fabric that I've just run into the Pro, and then I just leave the lid open, or I can close the lid right on top of that fabric and it's still gonna work just the same. Now, the Pro also has a back panel which you can remove and then run the rest of your fabric through that. So if you wanted a large continuous pattern going through that whole yardage of fabric, you can do that by adjusting your design and just keep running the fabric through and hitting play, and it can go on for a long time. When cutting fabric, I actually prefer using a polyester blend or some sort of plastic blend with the fabric, because when the laser cutter actually cuts it, it melts those edges. So it sears them shut, so you're not gonna have fraying. If you were to cut cotton or any natural based fabric, after you cut it, it's going to fray. So you need to think about that with your application. Also, when cutting plastic-based fabrics, it's very nice that once they melt, if you have the right power setting, they'll actually stick to your honeycomb table and they won't get in the way of your other cuts. Some fabrics or papers or similar materials can get blown by the actual air compressor and then get in the way of the next cut, ruining the whole project. So the plastic melting is actually beneficial in this case. And there we have it, a spider web decoration that is pretty awesome. For 10 minutes, that is really cool. We're gonna hang this up. This could be just a decoration, or I think Charles said that he's gonna be the spider princess for Halloween. So this could be a part of the costume as well. If you guys didn't check out this week's project, we made cool trick-or-treat bags, and check them out right here in the link more around here. And I hope you have a great weekend, and until next time, keep making. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. If you like those videos, please subscribe. We got more videos than me over here.
Gotta use the software. Get all the shade.